Welcome back, dear students. We're talking today about what is a project. Most of the people and most of the managers in today's company talk about this is my project. Oh, I have many projects, but in fact they don't know exactly what is a project. Project is a very powerful tool in today's management. A lot of companies, or maybe all companies in today's economy are faced one big challenge. The biggest challenge I think all are faced is the ongoing change in the economic environment. This means that we as managers of a company needs to be flexible. We need to adapt to the demands from the market. How can we adapt our products? How can we change our products? How can we develop new products? With projects. Project management or projects are the tool to adapt our products, our structure, our organization to the new needs of the market. So therefore, projects are very important for all kind of economy, and they are one very important tool for development in a company. Now, what is really a project? We are facing actually 5 different elements that are defining a project. So first is a project always is a unique task. It's something you're doing once. For example, the design and building of a new hotel. You're doing it once. Of course, there are people that are just doing the construction of hotels, but it's all the time another hotel. It's not the same hotel you're constructing once and not many times. So it's a unique task with a defined start point and a defined end point. It's not ongoing, it's just one time period, one unique task. Point number 2 is a project is a defined task, has defined responsibilities and defined objectives. So it's very special, it's not daily business. It's really special defined task. We have typically all the responsibilities that people have in their regular job. Next one is a project is time limited. Project has a start point and an end point, and it's provided within this time slot. So a project is not an ongoing thing, a never-ending story. It's always starting and ending. Referring back to the thing I said, it's a unique task. Point number 4 is typically a project has different partial tasks. That's very important to know, because if it's just something to do which is a little bit extraordinary, you can do it alone with yourself. That's also interesting, but this is not really a project. In a project, you typically need to have people from various backgrounds. You have somebody from finance, somebody from HR, somebody from the construction department. Maybe you have somebody from marketing. That makes a project team that typically is not working together. They are designing this new product, designing this new offer, designing, engineering the new hotel, or whatever is your project. Last but not least, a project always has a special organizational form. So you take this very good person from finance, you take somebody from marketing that knows the market demand. On the other hand, you take somebody from construction department, somebody from production or operations department, whatever you are doing. So, for example, if you have a project to redesign your spa area, for sure you need somebody from the construction department, you need somebody from marketing. It's wise to have some of the therapists or the people that work in the spa area in the team. Maybe you should have somebody from marketing to know what is the market demand. It's always clever to have somebody from finance that is dealing with your budgets. So you see, it's a combination of a team that makes the big effort or that makes the special thing in a project. Now, this is the definition of a project. Let's go one step further. The course is called Project Management. Now, what is project management? That's very simple. Project we defined already. We have this unique task, we have the differential, the partial tasks, we have the time limited, we have the special organization, we have all these elements of a project. And on the other side, we have the element of management, which is controlling, which is monitoring, which is planning, which is communication, which is all these elements, and the combination out of these two things that leads to project management. It's just nothing else than managing a project. That's very simple, understandable. During the next couple of weeks, you will learn how to manage projects. You will learn what is special to manage these special things in their special organizational form. Project management is very special because there are two elements, two basic elements. One element in project management that are the technical aspects. Here we are talking about the tasks, the organization, technical needs, about budgets, about whatever is needed for the project. This is a simple thing. Okay, it's hard work, it's a lot to do, it's sometimes you need to have a lot of know-how, but whenever a project fails, it never fails because of these elements. It fails in 90% of the cases because people didn't take into account the other aspects, which is called the psychosocial aspects. This is the interaction in the team, the communication, all the rules of working together, respect between individual, all these elements of teamwork. That's a very crucial part of project management. And people have to be aware on what is important and what not. And the mixture, the combination of both elements together, that makes again project management. So it's very important in the projects. Most people, they always know about the technical points. They always are aware about the level of the standard of budget, about all this stuff, but they are not aware a lot about the key element of the project, which is the human being. Human beings are providing projects. Remember this very well. Beside all the technical elements, beside generating money and that's also important, but the key, the crucial factor is the human beings. I hope you got this. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon in last video of this session. Have a great time. Bye bye.